Hi guys, welcome to my channel Roots for Software Engineer. And in this video, I want to cover about Core Java. Today I am starting about Core Java and we'll discuss one by one today onwards Core Java topics. Okay. Now without the late, let me start first introduction of our Java subject. Okay. Now let me open for that one Paint to write concept. Okay. Now let us take first introduction of our core Java. Introduction of our core Java. Now in this one, now let us take first what is the meaning of core. Okay. Now core means we can say as it describes. Okay, we can say what is it? It describes basic concept. It describes what is it? Basic concept. Basic concept of something. Basic concept of something that we can say as core. Now present we are discussing about what? Core Java, right? Now let me take the meaning of core Java. Now core Java means it describes. Okay, now core Java means we can say as it describes, or we can say it covers. Okay, it covers basic concepts. It covers basic concepts. Basic concepts of Java. Basic concepts of Java programming language. The core means it describes something. Now core Java means it describes the basic concepts of our programming language. Concepts of our programming language. Okay. Now let us discuss about the Java first. Okay. Now let me take here Java as heading. Okay. Okay. Now we can say Java is a programming language. We can say Java is one programming language. Okay, and next we can say it as second thing. We can say as Java is a high level language. High level language. And next we can say, okay, now Java is a platform 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 independent language. Platform independent language. And the platform independent language means, okay, let me discuss here. Platform independent. Okay, now independent platform independent means we can see, okay, now write program write program in one software. Okay, in one software, and execute any platform, and any execute in any platform. We can say execute in any platform means, suppose for example, let me consider here. Okay, now we written our code. Okay, we written our Java code. Okay, let me discuss here. Okay, if we written our Java code in okay, Windows platform, and we can execute in Windows platform as well as we can execute it on Linux also. Okay, and next some other things, Mac and everything we can execute. That is nothing but the independent language platform, independent language. And next we can see another point. Okay, now Java was introduced by Java was introduced by Sun Microsystems, introduced by Sun Micro, introduced by Sun Microsystems. And next we can say introduced in the Sun Microsystem in the year of what is it, 1995. And the father of, okay, we can say what is it, father of Java, father of Java is, okay, now father of Java we can say as James, James Gosling. We can say as what is it, James Gosling. And next we can see Java is followed, okay, now Java will follow, Java will follow ORA principle. Okay, Java will follow ORA principle. Java will follow ORA principle. ORA means we can say as write, write once, okay, read anywhere, read anywhere we can say, read anywhere. Okay, means we can write in one laptop and we can execute that one in any other laptop. Okay, and next, okay. Now we can say some features, some features of Java, some features of Java we can see. Okay, now first feature, okay, now first feature of Java is platform independent. And next we can say as it is a, okay, now platform independence right on here. Okay, now what is that, we can say as ORA principle, write once and execute anywhere. And next we can say as it is the security language, and we can say it as what is it, security language. Okay. And next one, okay, now Java is comes under the open source, Java is comes under open source, open source language, and we can say it as object oriented programming language. We can say object oriented programming language. And next another thing we can say as it is easy to learn, it is easy to learn, and we can say simple, simple to use, simple to use. Okay, Now this is a basic idea about our Java. In next class we'll discuss what is it variable concept, and what is variable, and how many types of variables we have in it. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching, bye bye.